Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone, first open up your Instagram app, and after that you can see the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap over there, and after landing on the account page or the profile page of your Instagram account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon. Tap over there and tap on settings and privacy, and after you land over here at the bottom of the list, directly go to the bottom and you can see the logout button available for us. In order to sign out of Instagram account, tap on that logout button, and again there is the logout button available for us. Tap on that and you'll be logged out of Instagram account on your iPhone. And with that being said guys, this is how you log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.